This is the elevator at Ikea tebrau. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. I will back to the one. I will back to the one. Capacity 2,385 kilograms and 35 persons.
First floor A. Side doors opening. Doors are opening.
I will back to the two. I will back to the two.
For your child's safety. Doors are closing.
I will back to the two.
Safety.
And this is a kone elevator. What is that?
Doors are opening. Be alert for your child's safety. Going down. Be alert for your child's
Here
safety.
goes.
Be alert for your child's safety. Doors are opening. Be alert for your child's safety. Going down. Be alert for your child's safety.
Here goes. And that's it.